your Joan of Arc. It's enough for me if there's a spark. Yeah, well, you took me out to dine. Maybe I had too much wine, but I never felt so desired. Boys who squire just keep me tired. I saw you looking at my shoulders bare, and I didn't care. You had no hair. I could be your Joan of Arc. It's enough for me if there's a spark. Ooh, a spark. But then the days go by. Start to wonder why I'm the one making the calls, asking you to stay, maybe come away with me. Open a door to a world that is wide. Close it before I step in. Turns out it was just a lark, and I'm nothing to you but a spark. Glasses do wonders to a spark, to a spark.
Let me be honest.